Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're told if u plus t is equal to 5 and u minus t is equal to 2, what is the value of u minus t times u squared minus t squared? So the first thing to notice with this problem is that we have a difference of two squares right here. We have u squared minus t squared. So u squared minus t squared, you have to recognize this pattern and know that this is equal to u plus t times u minus t. Right? The things that are being squared, you add them together and then you subtract them, and then you have an equivalent expression. So this is equal to u minus t times these two things right here, u plus t times u minus t. Why did we do that? Well, now all three of these terms we know the values of. We know u minus t is 2, u plus t is 5, and u minus t is 2. So this is 2 times 5 times 2, 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is equal to 20. So your final answer is going to be 20. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.